Hey everybody, Brian here. I just dropped in this customer's car to them and there's a really cool feature on these Santa Fe Premiums and I'll show you. So a lot of cars have the function basically where you see in your wing mirror it lights up a red kind of little area there where a vehicle is in your blind spot, but this is even better. Because Santa Fe has a digital style clock in through here, on the right hand side it has what is basically a revolution counter or an eco gauge, and then on the left hand side it has a speedometer over here, and they're a completely digital display, and that's what facilitates this really cool function. The name of the feature I think is cool: blind view monitor. So look in your binnacle here, right? If I indicate left or if I indicate right, I have an added view. There's little cameras in the wing mirrors, so it's really cool. It's looking down the side. So on the right hand side you can see I've got additional viewpoints here now, or on the left I also have an additional viewpoint when I indicate left. But what's cool in that is it actually still shows you your speed, because you know it's replacing the speedometer. So it's a very, very cool feature, and you just need to use your indicators to activate it. Just a short video, I thought it was a really cool feature anyway, so thanks a million for watching.